and gentlemen, children of all ages, Circus Circus is proud to present astonishing aerial acrobatics on the flying trapeze. From Argentina, please welcome the Flying Poemas.
No, neither.
Can I share your drink with you for one? I'm gonna go get me.
Yeah.
What you got, Mom?
What I got? I got
Yeah.
all kinds of good stuff. Yum, yum, yum.
Everything.
So, mini golf, I didn't win.
But it was a success because I won.
I got last.
About to go eat.
We took a nap for like 3 hours,
Ate a lot of snacks.
and we're going to watch another Cirque du Soleil show.
In front of us, the Hoover Dam. No, the dam is actually not connected to anything. Water pressure from Lake Mead is holding it into place. The reason for that is earthquakes. The earth starts shaking, the dam will shake with it. And you've heard stories of people being buried inside the dam because they would not stop working. That is completely false, because if you look at the dam closely, it's made from concrete blocks. The blocks were built, they poured in one section and put in place. So nobody is buried inside the dam. That is a myth.
We are touring the Hoover Dam on our way to the Grand Canyon. And this is going to be amazing. Bye. Well, we just made it to the Grand Canyon, south the rim. We're fixing to see nature's beauty at its best. Stay tuned. Bye.
Alright, we're taking everyone's opinion so far on the canyon. Audrey?
10 out. Oh, you chopped my face off. 10 out of 10.
On what?
Everything. The Grand Canyon.
It's a little bit hot. My biscuits are sweating, but the view is so. The view is so pretty.
Show them the view. Show them the view.
Swish, swish, bish. Another one in the basket.
And we had a great time. Wonderful shows, good food, but it's good to be home.